Today I'm going to be showing you how to set VLC Media Player as your default media player on Windows 11. But before we get started, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, really helps us out. So the way you're going to do this is you're going to go to your settings, and to open it, you can just press Windows key plus I will open up your settings. Next, you're going to navigate down to apps. Then you're going to go to default apps, this one here. Next, you're going to look for VLC Media Player. Now, you can either scroll down this, or you can just type in this box, VLC. So just click VLC Media Player. And now you can just set as the default for each type of media you want to do. So, for example, I can set it if I go down here to, let's go to a video file. Let's scroll all the way down to MKV. Right now, you see our default is media player. If we set it to VLC, says default. Let's minimize this. Now I have this MKV file on my desktop. If I open this up, it's going to automatically open it up in VLC media. So there you have it. That's how you set it. And you can just set that default as you see here for every single type of media you would like this to be the default app for. Just set it there in your settings and it will automatically open up VLC Media Player on your Windows 11. Hopefully this video helped. If it did, leave a comment and leave a like. If you have a question, comment below that question. We'll get back to it. Until next time, thank you for watching.